Come on, Giselle, Belly, come here, buddy. Yeah.
We don't worry about food shortage around here. DIY, easy build chicken coops. Easy build, easy move. We move these chickens daily. It's like they free ranging in their own protected little area. Yeah.
30 hertz straight up.
Bugs, not drugs, is the way to go. They eat everything that you got left over, don't you know? They be grubbing, ugging, they some hungry little birds. And they the best that you ever gonna see. That's right. The best eggs, the best meat. Bug fed, fresh grass. They all about eating that good stuff. Haha, yeah. Check us out. Raw diet all day, baby. That's right. Peace. Every day we start the same. We get up before the sun comes up. And we start by feeding our chickens and giving them water. These guys are key to my MSU Bully Alien Dog Bloodline. They help with socialization training. It teaches the dogs, gives them a job to care for and keep these guys safe. It gives the puppies, challenges them with new activities by seeing new animals. This will open the door for them to be able to go places and meet new people and animals without any problems. Because that's what we want. We don't want a liability. We want dogs that obey and help our lives, make it easier. All my dogs are correct, healthy, and by the standards. They're very active. They run, jump, do all the good stuff that a dog can do, but even better. These guys are my life. I live for them. I was free-ranging chickens yesterday, and some of the chicken got too close to the fence, and sure enough, these two male puppies got them one. I didn't get there quick enough to save the chicken. It was already dead, so I processed it and added it to their food this morning. That's what these guys are for. Meat, eggs, and happiness from all sides. I love what I do every day. All my animals can't wait to see me in the morning, and I can't wait to see them. I love what I do, like I said, and that's the key to being happy. You gotta go after your dreams. Do what makes you happy. Start slow. Don't jump into something too quick. Start slow. Make sure that it's something you're gonna enjoy. And then build on it. God has blessed me constantly in my life. My American Bullies saved me from depression and anxiety. Without them, I'm scared to know if I would even make it this far.
No!
But they're always there for me with a smile every morning. To make me happy and to have something to do. God bless you. Alien Dog Bloodline was created through selective breeding of non-game dogs to create the perfect American Bully. One with a proven temperament. One that's not a liability. One that you can enjoy your life with. And that's what it's about. I'm very selective about who my dogs go to. I ain't in it for the money. I'm in it for the breed, not for the greed. I love creating families by helping place the perfect pet for the perfect family. That's why I get into it and I ask, what's your lifestyle? What's your backyard look like? What's your plans for the dog? What do you expect out of them? I asked all these questions because it's key to making sure you place the dog with the right family. One that can reflect to their activities. You got a very active family, you need a very active dog. If you got a kickback family, you need a kickback dog. It's very simple. You should always study your animals and breeds before jumping into a new animal. A lot of people react just to the cuteness and how the dog looks. As a puppy, well, puppy is just a short part of their life. Their main part is being an adult. And that's what you're going to get used to seeing. So, you can judge a dog how it's going to look by looking at its mom and dad. That's going to give you a window to how the dog's going to develop and turn into. I raise these chickens to help with the cost of raw diet, because that's the only way to feed. Remember, God bless you, and live your life to the fullest. And peace! Juju! Sit! Stay! Juju, easy. Easy. Stay, Juju. Billy, stop. Juju, easy. Juju, stay. No, Juju.